Alright, so today I really wanted to show you guys this bob. Like, I feel like it's my absolute favorite at the moment, even though I just got it. I feel like it's my best blunt cut bob wig customization, and it looks so natural. It reminds me of when I used to relax my hair. And of course, this wig is from rpghair.com. What? It is the Brazilian Virgin Hair Silky Straight Bob Lace Front Wig. This is 12 inches long. Yes, and it's of a natural color. It's silky straight. It's 150% in density. And yes, the knots came bleached, and it is of a medium brown color. As you can see, it came pre-plucked. So guys, if you can't bother with the stress to go in and do additional plucking like what you're seeing right here, then you don't, because honestly it came really nicely plucked. But you guys know I always have to go in and do a little extra customization just to get it a little bit more to my liking, and that's just my preference, you know. So that's all I was doing here. I said, you know what, I want to rock the center part today, and listen, I loved it. I was just cutting off the excess lace right here, yeah, and then I pretty much just moved into the laying process. So first I got a bottle of water, and I showed you guys this before, you know, how to lay your wigs. Like, I really wanted it to be very laid and flat so it could have that supernatural look. And I also used some mousse from Soft Sheen Carson, because this helped with the luster and, you know, just the shine overall. And you know, I really loved that, and it wasn't like overly shiny either, so I really loved that. And so I proceeded to getting my blow dryer, right? And I pretty much just combed through this, you know, with the blow dryer going. And, you know, usually I don't always do this, but this, I find that it really helps with laying the wigs, really getting the roots really flat. Sometimes it can have a bit of a bumpy and lumpy look up top, so you want to really lay that flat, and using the blow dryer really helped to achieve that look. As you can see, the wig already came with a nice blunt cut, so I was really loving that. I moved on to flat ironing the hair, which made things way more sleek and laid, and this was definitely the look I was going for. Now, as I was saying, as you can see, the wig definitely came with a blunt cut, but I did go in later on and cut just a little bit more of the ends. You know, I just wanted it a tad bit shorter. But before I moved on to that, I added some of my face powder. This was the Milani press powder. I used that on the parting to make it look a little bit more skin-like. And yeah, I went in with some hairspray from Pink Luster to just hold down any flyaways at the top there and just make everything super laid. Yes, I feel like I've said laid like a million times so far in this video. But yeah, so here's where you see me kind of just taking off a little bit more of the ends and just making everything super even. You know, I was using my rat tail comb and the scissors to just make sure everything is in line. And in the front, I definitely needed to frame my face. You know, I needed the wig to like frame my face, so I kind of just cut the front there like a diagonal, you know, direction, you know, from like short to long, and then I lightly bumped that with my flat iron. Nothing too pronounced, but just a nice light bump just in the front, because I wanted everything to really lay straight and just look sleek. I proceeded to apply it, and guys, you see the parting, how much it looked like my scalp? I loved it, absolutely loved it. I was so pleased, like so pleased. And as you can see, guys, it's really not hard to customize. Like, it's really not hard to customize, so I really love that. I used some Got To Be gel to like lay the edges here of the wig, and I used like hair tie / scarf to hold down the edges to just make sure everything was super laid and secure. I let this stay on for like 5 minutes, and then after that I literally came back. Look how nicely it looked. I really loved it. I removed the scarf, and you know, voila, everything is laid and look like scalp there in the front. I really love it, guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know your thoughts. Put them in the comment section. As usual, if you're interested in this or any other wig, use my code SUE15 or PETITE10 to get dollars off. Don't forget, RPG Hair is having a big summer sale going up until the 13th of August. Make use of that, guys. My page link, as usual, is at the top of my description box. Click it, check out the wigs. Yeah, I really do appreciate you guys' support. That's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. All right.